there is some possibility in realistic which has to be considered, which can obstruct the intensity of light whatever it is reaching to the solar panel. So the possible examples are going to be cloudy. The passage of clouds causes the illumination to fall on the solar panel to degrade. The second one is the dust accumulation on the panels. These are the two main reasons which causes the efficiency of the panel to degrade or to decrease, isn't it? So that's the reason why for some parameters we need to do a general maintenance to increase the efficiency of the solar panel. So coming to this particular lab, what we are doing to understand the impact of shading, we are conducting this experiment by applying a manual shading on the panel, and we will see that respective output was connected to an isolator, and from an isolator, for the safety precaution, we have given a connection to a fuse, and thereafter we have connected that to a voltmeter. Okay, this is just for the safety we have connected. Okay, so as per the connections, once you have set up your equipment, depends upon the intensity of light. Whatever you are getting now, you are getting a maximum voltage of a partial shading on that, and then we will see it should decrease. Depends upon the amount of shading what I am creating here. Okay, so you just apply the shading for the 25% of that. So now I have created 25% of shading for this panel, and you can see that the output was reduced to 16.5 approximately, isn't it? 0.5. So earlier output of the panel, it was degraded, it was reduced on that panel. So you just make it to a half, 50% shading. Yeah. So once you have made 50% shading, again, not to reach to the solar panel. So because of that, again the output has to be 12.5 volts approximately. Okay. So if you just provide that to a 75% shading, okay. So depends upon the 75% shading, the output 100% shading, mean to say that during night time, there will be no light, you are going to get output voltage should be 0, theoretically. But practically, during night time also it will generate a minimum voltage of 1 or 2 to the intensity whatever it is reaching from the moonlight, isn't it? So the panel it will generate during the night time, the voltage it will be a minimum voltage. It may vary from 0 to 2 volts. Okay. So this is the information regarding the shading impact on solar panels, and this is the method what we are adopting for understanding the impact of shading on the solar panels by using a voltmeter. Okay. Have you understood that? Any doubts on that?